we have moved on to dilations.
Yay, dilations!
Yay! We did translations and reflections yesterday. Remember, translation is the slide. It's a movement, and it all stays the same. It just moved. Reflections is the flip. Again, it stayed the same. It just flipped. Dilations is a little bit different because it's a resize. The shape stays the same, but it's going to resize. So we will dilate figures by making them bigger and smaller without changing the shape. Again, we're not changing the shape. So dilate means to resize without changing the shape of a figure. It's a proportional change. When I think of dilations, guys, I think of when I go to the eye doctor. And the eye doctor, he's like, I need to see inside your eyes, so I'm going to dilate your eyes. And they put this special thing in. It's a pain. They make your eyes go massively huge, and you can't see worth anything after that. So they dilate it. Your eyes did not change shape. It's just that the pupils enlarged. Think about it this way, too. If you and your friends are talking and you go outside, both of you are going to have really tiny little pupils in your eyes because that sunlight is right there. There's so much sun that your pupils are like, go away, and they're tiny.
What are they going to say?
Go away. So they're going to go tiny, and if you go inside the building or something, they're going to get bigger. So if you ever want, go, talk to your friends, be like, hey, let's go outside. I want to see your pupils get smaller. Or let's go inside. I want to see them get bigger.
Or you can just get your cell phone, turn on the flashlight. That works too.
Oh,
except
yes.
Be gentle.
Yeah,
be
don't
gentle.
hurt your eyes.
Don't put it so close to your eyes. But if you just gently put it in front of their eyes, you'll start to see them dilate and make them smaller.
When I was a kid, I would stand in my bathroom and I'd look in the mirror and I'd turn the light off and I'd watch my eyes get bigger, and I'd turn the light on and I'd watch them get smaller.
Our teacher did that with us when we were like in 2nd or 3rd grade, learning about dilation and science.
Yeah. So now, scale factor is the number used to multiply by each coordinate. That's how you find the dilation. You multiply by a scale factor. So let's look at some of these. These are kind of fun. So if I've got my handy dandy little shape, I'm going to put it in these corners here, and I'm going to put it over the origin for today. It doesn't, wait. Oh, it does make, yeah,
perfect.
Yeah, it's nice. I was off. So I've got my little square right here. And I'm going to dilate my square by a scale factor of 2. So what do you think, Ms. Green? If I'm going to do a scale factor of 2, I was off a little. Oh, is it going to get bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
Okay.
It's a scale factor of 2, therefore it's being multiplied by 2, so it's making it 2 times bigger.
Yes. So think about it. If you guys are doing a fraction or a whole number, if it's a fraction, it's going to get
smaller because it's less than 1.
Yes. So we've got to start by finding our ordered pairs. This is 3, 2. This is 3, -4. This one here is -3, -4. And this one here is -3, +2. So I'm going to multiply each x value and each y value by 2. So this one will become 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. So it'll be 6, 4. This one here, 3 times 2 is 6. I'm sorry, this is a... Wait.
What happened?
Yeah, no, I'm good. 6, negative... I got lost in my thought. -8. I'm like, wait, I'm lost. Hold on. Multiply this one by 2. -3 times 2 is -6 and -8. And this one will become -6, 4. So let's just put these on. -6, +4. This is my new box, or my new point. 6, +4. I know, I need a different color. We're going to switch it out. 6, -8, and -6, -8. And that becomes my dilation of 2. So this box is 2 times as large as the little box.
Makes sense. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It used to be 6 units long,
Yeah.
and now it's... I bet you it's going to be 12.
I bet it is.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, look at that. It works.
It's 2 times
It's
bigger.
2 times bigger. So now let's talk about a shrinking. Can we get a new piece of graph paper? Bless you.
Excuse me. I'm allergic to this. Gross.
I'm sorry. It's the first time she's ever complained of it.
It's a new allergy.
Oh. Recent allergy over Christmas break. She became allergic to me. I'm sorry. She has to put up with me.
I need to become immune to you again. So.
You do. Okay, so we're going to start with our box again. I know we've used this little box a lot. It's kind of our friend right now. We need to name him. What should we name him?
His name's B.
B, okay. Oh, by the way, I've promised one of my students a shout out in the video. So I have to say hi to Camberlyn, and it's just going to make her day.
Hi, Camberlyn.
Hi, Camberlyn. So now we're going to do this one by a scale factor of a half. You want to do half?
Let's go crazy.
Go crazy?
Do like 3/4.
A scale factor of 3/4.
Or 0.75, same thing.
Same thing, yep. Oh, this is going to get crazy. So we are, again...
I'm really glad I have my calculator handy.
I'm really glad you have your calculator handy, too. Wow, I put that upside down, and I'm trying to read this upside down, because the points, they're probably different. 3.
They are different, yeah.
They are 3, 3. 3, negative 3. I actually put this one right in the middle. Negative 3, negative 3. This is a lot of 3s. Negative 3, positive 3. So we're going to do these by...
It's going to make it so much easier.
I know it's going to make it super
The only thing that's
easy.
gonna change is going to be the negatives.
The negatives. So we're going to multiply it by a scale factor of 0.75.
And I'm going to show you with a calculator so that you can see it.
Yeah, so 3 times 0.75 is 2.25. So my new point would be 2.25. 2.25.
Man, I made this one real fun for you.
I know. And then, thankfully, I don't have to do any more calculations. 2.25 and negative 2.25.
And can we stop right here? Can
Yeah.
we just say that we're going to go 2.25, 2.25?
Yeah.
2.25, 2.25. 2.25, 2.25.
Yes.
So technically, if you don't want to finish doing it,
You guys understand.
You already know where to go.
So it was right there. Is that one? You think am I
Can
good?
you use a different color?
Yeah, I can. I forgot about the other color. Right there. And then I'm going 2.25.
I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so that they can see that
Yes.
it's on. Notice how here is 2, and she went over 2.25. You see that?
Yes.
And then same thing here. This is 2, 2.25. I want you to see that little change.
So it is up above that 2 on each of them. So this was 2.25, 2.25. About right there? And about right there.
There you go. Now we can make our square.
Do you notice how the box is still the same little box, and it's by a factor of 3/4. So, I mean, if we're changing it by 3/4, it's not changing that much. It was a slight
barely.
change, but it did get smaller.
There you go.
I think that's all we have for today.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Bye.